In this short video, I'm going to introduce you to Keap. Keap is an all-in-one CRM and sales and marketing automation platform designed to grow your business. With Keap, you can automate every step of your customer life cycle, from collecting leads to nurturing them into clients to creating loyal fans. The result? Next-level sales growth and impact. Keap CRM stores all of your customer and prospect data in one place, keeping you and your team on the same page. Each contact record holds all of your contact details as well as a complete activity history of all your interactions with your contact, and you can display this by category or chronologically. You can also have quick action buttons available on the contact record, so you can send an email, add notes or tasks, book an appointment, process a purchase, or send an invoice or a quote. Keap CRM allows you to segment your contacts into groups or trigger automated messages based on a contact's data and activity. You can also create company records and keep tracks all of your contacts on your list that belong to those companies. Keap helps you harness your lead and client data to get personal at scale, sending the right messages at the right times to leads and clients all through automation. In the Automation tab, you'll find easy and advanced automation builders. With easy automations, you can set up automation in minutes, like sending appointment reminder messages. The Advanced Automation Builder is a powerful and customizable tool that features a drag and drop builder to help you create advanced processes, like a landing page funnel campaign. Think of the hours you'll save each week by automating your repetitive tasks and processes. Automate one-to-one emails and texts at key points in your customer's journey, and send text and email broadcasts to segments of your list to announce promotions or new offerings. Take advantage of our pre-built customizable email templates, merge builds for personalization, and predictive sending, so you send the right email at the right time. Keap helps you convert website traffic into leads with a variety of lead capture tools. Use our form builder to create web forms and easily place them on your website. New leads automatically flow directly into your Keap CRM, and this can trigger automations like a welcome email series. Keap's gallery of beautiful landing page templates and our drag and drop landing page builder make it easier than ever to create conversion funnel offers or lead magnet campaigns to boost your sales. Keap Sales Pipeline helps you track and manage deals through every custom pipeline stage specific to your business sales process. You can automate emails, notifications, tasks, and more, setting them to trigger automatically when you move a deal from one stage to another in your pipeline. Keap's appointment feature syncs with your Google or Outlook calendar and integrates with your Zoom account to create custom booking links, sending the booking links to your contacts by email or text so they can self-schedule their appointments on your calendar. Appointment reminders are sent automatically. Plus, booking an appointment can trigger other automated processes that can be configured in the Automations Builder. Within the Keap app, you can also send quotes, turn them into invoices, and accept payments. Create a seamless checkout experience with easy-to-use checkout forms and integrations with payment tools like Stripe, PayPal, QuickBooks, and more. You can set up automatic recurring credit card payments for subscription management and ongoing client relationships. Making the best decisions on how to run and grow your business requires data. Keap packs its analytics section with the reporting you need, like list growth, email marketing, performance, and revenue trends over time. Keap also includes a host of integrations with some of the most commonly used business applications like Gmail, Google Calendar, Outlook, QuickBooks, PayPal, Zapier, Facebook Lead Ads, Gravity Forms, DocuSign, Zoom, and GoToWebinar. And that's just the start. Working with entrepreneurs for 20 plus years, we've developed proven tactics and strategies for small business growth. Your expert coach will guide you, help you move quickly towards your growth goals. And your coach won't just teach you how to use the software, they'll show you how to leverage Keap to take your business to the next level. Don't hesitate to reach out to one of our sales team to chat further and see how Keap can help you reach your business dreams and goals.